Igama lami uBongiwe wakaXulu. Ngikhulele eMtubatuba. Kube mnandi ukukhulela eMatubatuba. eDlangezo High School ila engifunde khona. Ngaze ngaqeda umatric wami. Mangiqeda umatric ngase ngaya e-tertiary where I did my Bachelor of Science kwa Biochemistry naka Chemistry. Lapho ila ngibone khona ukuthi ngiyayithanda iscience, into emnandi kakhulu, and then ngase ngaqhubeka and did my masters, and kuyinto engifuna ukuyazi kakhulu. Sithole amakhambi ezifo eziqhilaza abantu. Manje ngise-K-Rith. E-K-Rith ngiyasebenza as i-laboratory technician. Lapha sisebenza ngoku-understanda ukuthi during i-HIV infection yini eyenza ukuthi i-immune system yomuntu ingabi sakwazi ukufighter other opportunistic diseases like i-TB. Ukukhula kwami ngikhule kwaSomkhele, usisi wami uke wagula. So ilokho ngempela ukugcine kwangenza ukuthi ngifune uku-understanda kakhulu i-science behind lokho kugula komuntu. Kumnandi kakhulu ukubona izinto ezenzakalayo kwa-science, ukubona ama-cells omuntu, and ukubona ukuthi how kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi umuntu agcine agule ngempela. Infection, how i-process yakhona yenzeka kanjani. It's really interesting to know that. Ama-skills esengwa-acquire ngokuba kwami khona la ka-K-Rith. I learned how to use i-flow cytometry, which is a really interesting tool. I-flow cytometry is actually a machine that is able to detect like ama-cells. For fun, ngine-family, so sijwayele ukuyihambela siye beach and stroll. I have one kid and a husband. My husband is a musician, so siya kuma music shows and isikhathi esiningi for ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi simsupport and simbone enza izinto azenzayo, and it's fun. Ukusebenza lab kumnandi kakhulu because isikhathi esiningi siya share izinto esizenzayo, and kuba mnandi kakhulu, like if usenkingeni trying to understand a certain protocol, and then mase ukuthi usuyitholile ushare nabanye, and then you celebrate. Kuba mnandi, kumnandi kakhulu. The environment is very nice. When you do science, you have to read articles and be able to ukwenza practical work out of that. So yenye ama skills leyo that I was not really very good at, but ngoba sengila sengifunde kakhulu ngalokho. Njengamanje ngine-masters in biochemistry, but zikhona ezinye indlela engazenza, like ngingaya nakwi-industry. Khona ama-companies abathathayo abantu like kuma-sections abo ka-research and development. Kumfundi ose-high school ongazi ukuthi i-science ingani, ngingathi kuye i-science is a very nice career. Kumnandi kakhulu discover into obungayazi before, because kukwenza ukuthi ubone umhlaba ngenye indlela and ukwazi nokufundisa ezinye izinto because usuthole into obungayazi before. I think into ebalekile kakhulu kwi-science is usebenze kakhulu. I-science is more about biology and physical science. Those two subjects are the main ones. So if you are interested in those and you like them, uyawathanda, uyawapasa futhi kahle, you are good.